Okay, thank you.
We can take the individual ones we decide.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Finland Resort and Spa? Now what?
It's,
Maybe we can.
from the owners from Hawaii, Outrigger Resorts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
another one.
and if I may, I've got one other from the Coral Coast Hotel Association. Yeah. This is all the resorts on the Coral Coast. Once again, so
This is a nice one.
Yeah, colourful.
Thank you.
yeah.
GPH?
So is that-
Naka.
ODM,
Voilà.
Hotels and Resort, Plantation Island Resort, Amani Island Resort.
Thank you.
Gateway Hotel. Thank you very much.
Naka. Naka. Voilà.
Thank you very much.
Voilà.
Question from the next
Alright.
one.
Naka.
You
Naka.
always come, you ask me to bring it over.
Naka.